This is Ron with Mulholland Security, and I want to show you a property we basically just finished working on. This property had old style aluminum glass doors that were really falling apart. The doors themselves on the upon opening were causing a lot of problems, never really closing properly, never working properly, many adjustments. Instead of those, they asked us to replace them, and what we did is we brought in our aluminum glass doors. These came out really beautiful. This is a brand new door, custom made to this opening. The doors before were restricting the opening a little bit, so it was less than 36 inches. Right now, because we went on the sides of the opening, we are not restricting that opening at all. We have an electric strike here to operate with the intercom, a lever to get out, and obviously a nice clean pull handle here to pull the door open, and a keyed entry. We did one on this side and another on the other side, and we'll go over there right now so I can show you that one. So this is the other door, and as you can see, it came out really nice. It's a really good fit for this opening. We put in a hydraulic door closer. These doors will close every time. In this case, most of the time our glass doors come with laminated glass. In this case, they wanted us to use, here's the old door, clear glass, like the doors that they used to have. So right now, here's the door. It closes nicely. We connected it to the existing intercom system right here. So we'll punch in a code and it'll buzz, open freely. We'll let people walk in home and let it close behind us. And there you go, nice and clean closing. A beautiful door, and it's a great fit for this building.